Welcome to Animal Land. Today, our friends Bunny, Fox, and Bear are on a nature adventure. Listen closely. What's that sound? Is it rain falling on the leaves? Can you pat your hands softly like raindrops? Now, hear the wind whooshing. Can you blow like the wind with our friends? Next, chirp chirp. Birds are singing. Can you flap your arms and sing like a bird? Great job. Nature is full of amazing sounds. Can you find more on your next walk? Remember, listening is fun. Like and follow for more fun learning.